for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same.
I really love that car.
Yo. If you haven't already, you want to subscribe to the YouTube. We're like 15 subscribers away from giving away $100. So throw your name in the hat now and go follow now. Today we're working on the Nissan Nismo Sentra Pearl White. Getting some gloss black accents. Right now I'm doing the side skirts. We're doing the door handles, the roof, part of the hood, some stuff on the back bumper, gas cap, pretty much whatever he wanted done, we're gonna get it done in a one-day turnaround. He's gonna love it.
Y'all. Rudy. Look how close we are to that wall.
If you shop at Kohl's for queen size mattresses,
I do what, man?
I'm working hard.
No.